All right, let's do number 15, Euclidean euphoria. So the question asks us to use the EEA to solve for the following congruence, where x is between 0 and 152 inclusive. So we have 49x is equivalent to 9 mod 153. Some pretty, big numbers, so we have to use the GCD and Euclidean algorithm to help us find the modular inverse. So first we want to see if we have a unique solution. How do we know that? We want to see if 49 and 153 are relatively prime, aka we want to see their GCD, and we want to see their GCD is equal to 1. We want to see if this is the case. If it is, they are relatively prime. If not, they are not. So let's try to solve this. So let's just go down the GCA like algorithm. So we have 153. That is how many times 49 in remainder? It's gonna be 49 times 3. Remainder of 49 times 3 is 147. The difference of that, the remainder is going to be 6. And now we go down to 49. 49 is equal to how many of times the remainder? It's the remainder of 153 divided by 49 times 8 plus remainder is going to be 1. And now we take 6, and that is just 6 times 1 plus 0. So we've gone to the end where, this factor over here is our GCD. So our GCD is 1. We know that we have a unique solution. So now we want to build our, formula back up and find the actual modular inverse of 49 and 153. So let's start with uh, this line over here, right? Let's start with 6. So just doing some algebra, right? If we take this line over here, we subtract 49 times 3 from 153, we get 153 minus 49 times 3. Okay, what is that? We get 6, or actually, sorry, we have this, right? Okay, what else can we do? Ultimately, we want to show some combination, some, linear combination gives us 1, right? Because ultimately, we want to show what times 49 gives us 1, mod 153. So 1 is equal to, right, using this right here, 49 minus 6 times 8, right? Now we can substitute the 6 we solved for over here, right over here. So we get 1 equals 49 minus 153 minus 49 times 3, all times 8. Right, to simplify that, we have 49 minus 8 times 153 plus, right, we have the minus and the minus, plus 24 times 49, right? 24 because 8 times 3. So then we combine these like terms, right? We get 25 times 49 minus 8 times 153. So that means what is our modular inverse? Our modular inverse of 45 or 49 and 153 is going to be 25. 25 is what we have to multiply 49 by to get our unique solution over for this congruence. So take a look, let's move down a little bit. So we have 49, x is equivalent to 9 mod 153. We multiply both sides by 25, so we get 25 times 49. X is equivalent to 9 times 25 again. Multiply both sides, mod 153. Again, this side turns to 0 because, again, we have 1 equals 25 times 49 minus, some integer times 153. This is like the mod definition, right? So this side goes to 1. So we have x is congruent to 9 times 25 is what? That is going to be 225, right, under mod 153. But x has to be between 0 and 152, right? So what is x within that range? We can just subtract 153 from 225. Some quick mental arithmetic. Then we get x is equal to, or I mean, sorry, equivalent to 72 under mod 153, right? And ultimately the solution is x is equal to 72. So x is equal to 72 in this case here.